Hey everybody, welcome to the top of the cabinets. I want to show you some spring cleaning tips for getting rid of this nasty, greasy, gross dust that is not going to come off without some help. So I've got some heavy duty degreaser diluted in my forever bottle here, and I am going to spray this stuff on here. It's so greasy up here. We'll just spray the cabinets too while we're at it. All right. So while I'm letting that degreaser kind of soak in and get started, I've got my handheld system with a wet mop pad. It's just wet with some warm water. I'm going to use that to clean most of this off. Some areas I have got just a wet Envirocloth. Okay, it's very easy and simple to get it clean once you let that degreaser kind of start soaking in and getting to work. Okay, we're going to start with the cabinets here, and then we'll take on this stuff.